Metro FM Masikaba and Lovio separate with second husband Vasi and Lovio. Metro FM presenter Masikaba and Lovio is getting a divorce. Masikaba, who is married to Vasi and Lovio, shocked and saddened many of her supporters when she sent out a devastating message on her Instagram account confirming that she and Vasi have gone their separate ways. Masikaba mentioned that it was a very difficult and painful decision to make, but it had to be done. But she also said that she and Vasi will continue to be friends. I've taken the very painful decision of separating from my husband, the love of my life, the man of my dreams. My ride or die. Sometimes in life, the best thing you can do is the hardest thing you've ever done. We will always remain friends and fantastic parents to our children, and we will always love and care for each other. So many people remain in relationships that no longer serve them because they are afraid of what people are going to say. Afraid of what it's going to do to the kids. The Drive host was heavily criticized for the manner in which she revealed, on Babe's behalf, that Mampincha has allegedly been abusing her. Masikaba's decision could be seen as her practicing what she preaches to young women, and she continued to share words of advice to those in a situation similar to hers. The radio personality went on to mention that social media should not only about flaunting and showcasing good times, but it should also be about engaging in difficult times as well. The news of her separation came as a shock to us as well, especially considering that they were together this past weekend at the Durban July. Masikaba received words of encouragement from her supporters, surprisingly enough from Mampincha as well, but we can't help but wonder if he was being sincere or sarcastic, especially considering their on-air fallout a few months ago.